Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. In our academy, every day we are giving 7 problems in organic chemistry as well as physical chemistry. It will be very useful to you, I think. So one day before we are giving questions, the next day only we are giving solution to that. So if you watch, somebody is watching regularly. So okay. So first of all, I told you, first study the concept. After that, if you go through the problem means it will be easy to understand. Okay. So without the concept, if you go through directly MCQ and all means you cannot able to you cannot able to understand completely. Understood? Okay. So now I selected one lessons in 11th standard, some basic principles and technique. Okay, this is the first lessons in organic chemistry. Okay, so in this lesson also I expect one or two questions. Okay, see the first question. See, simple one. The number of sigma bond and pi bonds in pen 2-in and 4-ine are 13 sigma bond and no pi bond. Option B, 10 sigma bond and 3 pi bond. Option C, 8 sigma bond and 5 pi bond. Option D, 11 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. Okay. So first of all, you should draw the structure for this pen 2-in and 4-ine. Okay. After only we can find out the sigma bond and pi bond. Okay, understood? Okay. Next one. Arrange the following carbocation in order of stability. Okay, which one is more stable? You have to find out. Benzyl, allyl, methyl, vinyl. Okay. So here mostly how we can find out the stability means mostly it is based on resonance. Who is giving more resonance structure, that will be more stable. Okay. So the arrangement is given. Okay. So you have to find out which is more stable. Okay. So option A, fourth one is greater than, third one is greater than, second one is greater than 1. Option B, first one is greater than, second one is greater than, third one is greater than, fourth one. Option C, second one is greater than, first one is greater than, fourth one is greater than, third one. Option D, third one is greater than, first one is greater than, second one is greater than, fourth one. Okay. So we have to find out which one is more stable. Okay. Right. Next one. Among the following alkenes, 1 butene, okay, cis 2 butene, third one trans 2 butene. The decreasing order of stability. Okay, so which one is more stable? We have to find out. Okay, so here also I given based upon this option A, third is greater than, second one is greater than first one. B option, third is greater than, first one is greater than second one. Option D, first is greater than, second one is greater than, third one. Option D, second is greater than, first one is greater than, third one. Okay. So we have to find out which one is more stable. Okay. Okay. First you draw the structure, then any interaction. Okay. Any interaction is present means that will be least stable. Okay. Then it is based on number of alkyl groups also. That also one point. This is all, if you have idea means you can able to find out which alkene is more stable. Understood? Right. Next one. Which of the following is electrophile? So we have one topic is there, electrophile, nucleophile. Okay. So positive charge is called electrophile, negative charge is called nucleophile. Okay. Electron deficient is called electrophile, electron rich is called nucleophile. This and all you must know, then only you can able to answer this. Okay. So our aim is to find out what? Which is an electrophile. That's the question. Option A, H2O. Option B, NH3. Option C, AlCl3. Option D, C2H5, NH2. Okay. Right. Then fifth one, the IPOC name of the following compound is. So one structure I have given. You have to give the IPS name for that. Okay. CH3, CH double bond C, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay. So option A, 3-ethyl 2-hexene. Option B, 3-propyl 2-hexene. Option C, 3-propyl 3-hexene. Option D, 4-ethyl 4-hexene. Understood? Okay. Next question. Sixth one. Which of the following behaves both as a nucleophile as well as electrophile? Okay. So one compound acts as a both nucleophile as well as electrophile means here one special compounds will be there. That compound we have to find out. Okay. Option A, CH3C triple bond Cn. Option B, CH3OH. Option C, CH3CH double bond CH2. Option D, CH3NH2. Understood? Okay. Seventh question. Identify the chiral compounds among the following. Simple one. Chiral common means what? What is chiral common? Around the carbon, all the four groups are different. Okay, that is called any commons having around the carbon, all the four groups are different means that is called, we can say what? Chiral common. That commons we have to find out. First you write all the common structure, then only we can able to find out. Okay. Option A, isopropyl alcohol. Option B, pentane 2-ol. Option C, 1-bromo, but 3-in. Option D, isobutyl alcohol. Understood? Okay. So these are the 7 questions in some basic principles and technique. Okay. So you just go through the concept. Then after that you can try. Okay. Before I'll give the solution to you, just try the answer for this question. Okay. Thank you, students.